If your Ford Ranger won't start and you suspect a bad relay, we're going to pin down the exact cause in 2 minutes. Nearly 40% of common starting failures on older Rangers are caused by simple electrical components like the starter relay. Before you buy a new starter motor, let's run through the diagnostic process to save you time and money. Always start by securing the vehicle and verifying that your battery has enough juice to actually trigger the relay. Listen closely while turning the key. The sound of the relay tells you exactly where the electrical path is breaking. A quick way to confirm a failure is swapping the starter relay with a non-critical one, like the horn relay. Distinguishing between a $5 relay and a $100 starter motor can save you a massive repair bill. As you can see, fixing a relay yourself is the cheapest possible outcome for a non-starting Ford Ranger. If swapping didn't work, use a multimeter to verify that power is actually reaching the relay socket pins. You only need a few basic tools and some dielectric grease to ensure a clean, permanent connection. Remember the golden rule of mechanics: always rule out the cheapest and easiest fixes before tearing into the hardware. With the new relay installed, your Ford Ranger should fire right up, safe driving out there.